What's going on, everybody? So we're on our way to work. Yesterday, Snap-on guy stopped in, seen a toolbox on his truck. Nice toolbox, don't get me wrong. Nice color concept. Wasn't quite what I was looking for. I said, well, I got something else over at the warehouse. Why don't you come over and have a look? It was more of the size that I wanted. And it came with an extra drawer than what I was anticipating. So, went over, had a look at it. He was saying the box was orange. I wasn't too keen about having an orange toolbox because it's too flashy. I like black, or say a darker contrast of colors. Orange is quite bright. But when I got there, I was like, yeah, I like that. You know, keeping it cool, whatever. Anyways, so we did up the paperwork and bought a toolbox. So I should be bringing it by there this morning sometime. Stay tuned. I'll show you the toolbox. So this is the toolbox I'm going from with my tool cart. Oh yeah, and my stool. And then I got a couple cases. So this is what I'm going from, and I'll show you what I'm going to. Need help with anything? Need help?
Be alright. What's the dirt on it?
Yeah, I know it. Friggin' guy.
Holy shit, it's a high wall.
Yep. No, it's a good size. Yeah, it was kind of iffy on the color because he said orange, but with the orange and black, it doesn't look too bad.
Pretty good. Yeah, if you make a sticker that go from it, stick it on.
Yeah.
Or even if you don't make a sticker, just something to put on.
Something to protect it a little bit. Yeah, the handle's inside. So that's the box I'm going from. And this is the box I'm going to.
Look at this!
Oh, look at that!
Look at all this stuff there!
Oh, wowzers!
Oh, what? There's another one.
Oh, we're gonna do the toolbox tour later.
Hold on, there's another one.
Alex, we'll do the toolbox tour later. All right, so we're gonna take this one home. So we got our my bottom half back at home, and I was able to put the top half back on it instead of having it over on my workbench. So now I can take this, put this against the wall, and have a nice toolbox at home to have for a personal toolbox. So when I pull something in, as you can see, I'm stripping something here right now. A bunch of car parts laying, or truck parts laying around. So I'll be able to fill this up full of tools and be able to have my garage back up and operational with all my tools in an organized place. So I'm happy about that. And then I have my new toolbox at work. So win-win. So with my toolbox purchase, Snap-on was nice, and they gave me a nice Snap-on jacket. I'll spin that around there. It's got a nice black on black contrast. As you can see, there's the snap on there. Sorry, she's a bit wet. And I said, well, you're gonna have to throw in something from my wife so I don't get in trouble. And he gave me a nice snap-on umbrella. It's got a nice, it's actually got the same handle as what the screwdrivers are. Nice umbrella. So when I got home, I told her, I said, I bought you an umbrella. Came with a toolbox. She was like, what? Yeah. So that's my 54-inch 10-drawer matte orange double bank snap-on roll cabinet. So next up would be a toolbox tour after I get everything all straightened away and put away. And if you're just stopping by the channel for the first time and you'd like to, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys all next time.